Bueno, quisiera comenzar diciendo que estoy sorprendido, agradecido y honrado de ganar el premio Fronteras of Knowledge de la Fundación BBVA. También estoy feliz no solamente de haber ganado el premio, pero de haber ganado el premio con mi amigo David Sabatini. Es importante también ganar un premio como este porque es una validación para mí y también para David Sabatini de nuestro trabajo desde hace casi 30 años en este sujeto. También significa que hemos hecho algo importante por la humanidad. Well, the mTOR pathway is a fundamentally important pathway, which means it's found in all cells, in all eukaryotic organisms, and its role is to control cell growth in response to nutrients. So in very simple terms, it what controls how we grow when we eat. Well, we played an important role in the discovery of TOR itself approximately 30 years ago. Taking primarily a genetic approach with yeast. We subsequently discovered that the role of TOR is to control cell growth, and this is perhaps our more significant discovery because at the time it was thought that cell growth was not a controlled process. So we in fact discovered the fact that cell growth is a controlled process. Well, I think it's given, the main biomedical implications are that it has given us molecular insight to a wide variety of diseases, which underscores the very central role of TOR in the cell. And the source of diseases where it's given us insight have been diseases such as cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and depression. And it's also given us insight into the aging process itself. I think the most challenging aspects of the future of TOR research is to be able to exploit the knowledge we've generated on the pathway to develop drugs which will allow us to cure all these drugs which I just mentioned. The objectives I would like to see achieved on the medical side is to in fact see such drugs being developed which target the TOR pathway and then have these drugs enter the clinic and be used to cure people suffering from all these diseases. I'd also like to understand better how TOR in single cells controls growth not only of that single cell but the entire organism.